Well, COVID cases are on the rise in more than half the country, but not in our state, at least not yet.
Tonight, CBS 17 digital reporter Jody McCrary is digging deeper into why some experts are really concerned about another surge here and what that surge could look like.
Right now, our case numbers are stuck in a flat spot, and they're still higher than experts want. And if we're not careful around the holidays, we could be in for yet another spike.
I think it represents a really important crossroads for us.
Some doctors think COVID eventually might have the same normal ups and downs that the flu does, but we're not there yet.
We're certainly planning that there might be an increase again.
Right now, we're averaging about 1,700 new cases a day, roughly where we also leveled off in March.
And it would seem that we're plateauing at a place that leaves us prone to going back up again.
But when? Experts point to the weeks after Thanksgiving, the first of several holidays with people getting together indoors.
Because if you think back to last year, that was around the point when things started heading back up again.
The good news, the next surge should not be as deadly. Compared to last year, more of us have some sort of immunity. 60% of North Carolinians at least partially vaccinated. Others catching COVID and then recovering.
I think we'll follow similar trends as last year this time, but the peaks will not be as high and the deaths will absolutely not be as high.
And in my story online, find out the one group doctors say the next bump could hit the hardest. For CBS 17 News, I'm Jody McCrary.
All right, Jody, thank you. You could get one